Alright, it's a windy day here in St. Thomas. We're going to show you cheapest, fastest, best excursion to do on your own if you want a beach, no frills, low cost, easy to do. So I'm going to show you what to do. Let's go. Also, just to let you know, we're going to Water Island and Honeymoon Beach. So that's where we're going, and we're going to show you a video here of Honeymoon Beach. And it's free to enter the beach, and we'll show you what it's like. Alright, so easiest thing to do is tell you to get out through the little gate, and you go on the brick sidewalk, you follow that all the way around, you go outside where the taxis are, you walk down to the restaurant with the red roof, you go to Tickle's restaurant, and that's where you get the water taxi. So I'll take you along the way here and show you where it is. Alright, so we follow the red brick road, and you go where the taxis are. You just keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And you exit out, you go through the parking lot, and you go to the marina. When you keep going, you have to kind of go towards where the taxi line is so you can exit out. And this is what it looks like. You'll hit a dead end if you follow the red brick road over there. So you kind of go to where the taxis are. And then you just come straight out here. And that's where you're going. Crown Bay Marina towards the red roof buildings. So you just stay on the little sidewalk here and just walk on down, and you'll see some nice little yachts on the right. And next stop, I'll show you the water taxi. So as you make your way towards the building, there is the water taxi. So this is where you go. And they run on the hour. Hopefully they still run on the hour. And you get your tickets right there. So I will tell you what the exact cost is as of today. Alright, so sometimes there's someone standing out there by the taxi, but if not, you have to go to the marina office right over here and get your tickets. So that's where we're going to go. And you can see how close we are to the ship. There's our little water ferry right there. Alright, so it is $10 a person each way, so $20 a person round trip. Hold on to your receipt. They rip it in half when you get on, and your other half is your entry on the way back. So that's the procedure. Not very fancy here. But if they don't have enough room for you on the ferry back, which is, I guess, 15 minutes after each hour, they will come right back and get you. So you're not going to wait another hour if you can't get on the ferry. Alright, so it's 1:45, so we're going to go over there and hang out and wait for the ferry. Well, there goes our free ride to the beach. There is a little shuttle that gives you free rides to the beach, but we're walking because they have a golf cart they can rent for $55 a day, but just drive around the island. I don't know. But, you know, you just walk on this road. She could have given us a ride. Oh, maybe not. But anyway, it's not that long of a walk. So the first road on the right, which is our little beach shuttle that we missed because it was too full. But you just go down here and there's the beach. And as you make your way in, you just pretty much go wherever you want with your towels. Looks like some locals are here with a barbecue grill, but we'll walk all the way down there. Looks like they do have beach chairs for probably rental. Here's a whole family, a local family. There are some palapas, but this is a look at Honeymoon Beach. I like to go all the way down here to the end. Alright, so it's Christmas, so there's a lot of locals here. It is crowded, but the chairs are $10 each. So we're just going to set up. I'm going to get a chair for my wife. I don't really need a chair. I'm going to go hang out in the water, but you got to pay at the bar. So we're going to go over there and wait in line and pay for a chair. All right, there's a floating mat out there. We got a beach chair, an umbrella, and it's not sunny, so that's actually pretty good. We're gonna check out the water. It's nice. A little chilly at first, just a little. But it's all nice sand. Oh, yeah. Look like people are over there partying. A lot of sailboats in. So that is your water island. 20 bucks a person for the ferry, $10 per chair. That's still a pretty cheap beach day. And one of the things I highly recommend is a waterproof beach bag or backpack like this, in case it rains. A little sprinkling here. It is raining over at the main island, so a waterproof bag comes in handy. There's no place to hide really here.